Cal-JAC's a wonderful partner. These events here allow firefighters and recruitment to learn the importance of DEI and DEI in the recruitment process so that we make sure that the whole process is inclusive and also allows for us to have the diverse workforce that we need to be able to make us the strongest organization that we can.
The fact that Cal-JAC was able to bring agencies from the entire state of California was incredible. I got to listen to how they're running their recruitments and get tips from them. I thought it was really good insight into how other departments are working.
Being part of the JAC program, it's a sense of pride when I come here, when I see the evolution and development that's happened over the last years, and fairly significant over the last 5 years as far as recruiting. It's impressive, and it's kind of cool to be part of it.
I think it was great when we were discussing interview questions. It made us look at a question and just changing it by 2 words repurposes the question completely.
It's important to step back and continually to reevaluate. We do it on the emergency scene constantly. We need to do that in every aspect of our job. Just because you've had the same interview questions for the last 6 years and we keep recycling them and they've gotten us candidates and we've been able to hire from, doesn't mean they're the best interview questions to get individuals working.
We come here to learn new things, new concepts, or reinforce good concepts. The thing about diversity, equity, inclusion, or any of those concepts is just basically us as humans trying to figure things out.
Having a space today that was just dedicated to individuals that work in different fire agencies was really helpful. It was a lot of good information that I get to take away and bring back to my organization and see how we can tweak our recruitments for gathering future recruits.
Networking is probably one of the best parts of our experience today. We are in friendly competition, especially within a region or operational area, to try to get the best candidates from a relatively small pool. The nice part about here is we didn't have the competition today. We all were able to share our challenges and talk about our successes and what's working and what's not working.
If you look at the concept of development, right, now my level of intelligence on DEI or any recruitment or anything like that, this is my new baseline as of today, and it just made us that much smarter. Now we launch from this new baseline.